Couples that train together?
Stay together.
Stay together.
Stay together for your lifetime.
Queen Namate,
Yes. Hello, Big Steve.
tell us about your fitness journey.
So, my husband and I made a very conscious decision that this festive season, we're going to stay healthy. We're watching what we eat. Okay, we're naturally a healthy couple. Lots of veggies and protein. We don't eat a lot of carbs and a lot of sweet stuff. So we made a decision that we'll be at the gym 3 times a week, just to ensure that we stay fit for ourselves, for our children, for our family, and just to be present and to be active. And it's been a long year, so yeah.
So Henry, so if you've made a conscious decision that the two of you are going to train going forward, does it mean that self and health care becomes one of your values in the family tree?
Exactly. Yeah, it's something that we discussed. Like she said, we intend to stay healthy throughout this festive period.
Namate,
Yes.
what do you tell couples out there the benefits of exercise coming to the gym as a couple?
I think for us it's also more of an intimate connecting session for ourselves, and working out together and going through these challenges together just builds our resilience together as a couple, as a team. And we up for the challenge. So I think it's good for couples, for reconnection, and just being there for one another and reminding ourselves that even though it's not easy, it could be tough, we can do it together. Together, we're stronger.
Henry, what is your advice to the boys, representers? What do we need to do to bring our wives to the gym?
Well, it's something that you have to be deliberate about. You discuss with your partner what the benefits would be, and of course what your goals would be for that particular exercise. And then you agree, and then you see how you can do it together.
Namate, what does it take to bring a man to the gym?
Love, patience, a lot of persuasion, and there's many more other benefits of staying healthy.
And what is the highlight of today's session?
I think it's just the intensity of the exercises became a bit much more higher and harder, but I think the highlight for us was just cheering each other on, just watching Henry go through his sets of exercises, and I'm in the background and just, applauding and encouraging him that he can do it. I think for me that was great. And obviously, DBF family, you people are part of our lives. Where would we be without you guys? So we appreciate you. We thank you for all the time you take into making us healthy and fit, your dedication, your friendliness, very professional. We would actually be here all the time if we can. So, thank you.
So we're going to do a very quick fire rapid session.
Okay.
I'll say something and whatever comes to mind. Henry, red.
Arsenal.
Money. Whatever comes to mind.
FNB.
Love.
Me and him. Jesus.
The best president.
I'll leave it to him.
Nelson Mandela.
Oh, yeah.
Courage.
Mike Tyson.
Blue.
Chelsea.
God.
Love. Unconditional love.
Blood.
Power.
Loyalty.
Wife.
Strength.
The Holy Spirit. And God.
Unity.
Togetherness.
Couples.
Couple.
Family.
Ubuntu.
Zambia.
Chipolo polo.
I like that.
South Africa.
The box.
Mzansi.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're my favorite couple in the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy your Christmas.
Thank you,
so much.
Steve, and you too. Bye-bye.
Bye.